Vertical gardening, the art of cultivating plants on upright surfaces, presents an innovative solution for gardening enthusiasts with limited space. This technique transforms barren walls, fences, and balconies into vibrant, productive gardens. By growing upwards instead of outwards, vertical gardens maximize space utilization, making them ideal for urban dwellings, patios, and compact gardens. The advantages of vertical gardening extend beyond space saving. These gardens often experience higher yields compared to traditional gardening methods, as plants receive ample sunlight and improved air circulation. Moreover, vertical gardens contribute to a greener environment by reducing your carbon footprint and fostering biodiversity. Whether you aspire to cultivate fresh herbs, vibrant flowers, or delicious vegetables, vertical gardening offers a rewarding and aesthetically pleasing solution. It allows you to transform any vertical space into a thriving ecosystem, bringing the beauty and bounty of nature closer to your doorstep. Creating your own vertical garden is simpler than it may seem, with a variety of methods to suit different spaces and preferences. Wall planters, available in various materials and sizes, can be mounted directly onto walls or fences. These modular units offer a sleek and modern aesthetic, perfect for showcasing cascading flowers or herbs. For climbing plants like cucumbers, beans, and certain tomato varieties, trellises provide the necessary support. These structures, made from wood, metal, or even bamboo, create a vertical framework for plants to climb, adding a touch of rustic charm to the garden. Hanging baskets suspended from eaves, balconies, or sturdy hooks offer a versatile solution for smaller spaces. These cascading containers are ideal for trailing plants like strawberries, petunias, and trailing herbs, adding a touch of whimsy and color to any setting. Choosing the right plants is crucial for a thriving vertical garden. Shallow-rooted plants with a compact growth habit are generally best suited for this type of gardening. When selecting vegetables, opt for varieties specifically bred for containers or small spaces, such as bush beans, compact cucumbers, and dwarf tomatoes. Herbs, with their shallow roots and compact size, are perfect candidates for vertical gardens. Consider planting basil, oregano, thyme, mint, and parsley to create a fragrant and flavorful culinary haven. When it comes to flowers, opt for cascading varieties like petunias, lobelia, and verbena to create a stunning visual display. Section 4. Establishing and nurturing your vertical garden. Once you've chosen your preferred method and selected your plants, it's time to establish your vertical garden. Ensure your chosen structure is sturdy and securely mounted to support the weight of the plants and growing medium. Use a lightweight, well-draining potting mix specifically formulated for containers. Water your vertical garden regularly, as the vertical orientation can lead to faster drying. Monitor the moisture levels of the soil and adjust watering frequency as needed. Fertilize your plants regularly using a balanced liquid fertilizer to provide the necessary nutrients for healthy growth. Regularly inspect your plants for any signs of pests or diseases and address any issues promptly. Section 5. Reaping the rewards, the enduring benefits of vertical gardening. A well-maintained vertical garden offers numerous long-term benefits. It transforms underutilized spaces into productive and aesthetically pleasing areas, enhancing the beauty and value of your property. Fresh homegrown produce is readily available at your fingertips, encouraging healthier eating habits and reducing your environmental impact. Furthermore, vertical gardens contribute to a greener environment by purifying the air, providing habitats for beneficial insects, and reducing urban heat island effects. The act of gardening itself offers therapeutic benefits, reducing stress and promoting a sense of well-being. By embracing vertical gardening, you embark on a journey of sustainable living, connecting with nature, and reaping the rewards of your own thriving vertical oasis.